Stainless steel is corrosion resistant, not corrosion proof. To help avoid corrosion of your stainless steel appliance, keep your surfaces clean. To clean your stainless steel appliance, use a soft cloth or sponge and a mild detergent in warm water. Always wipe in the direction of the grain to avoid cross-grain scratching. When cleaning your stainless steel appliance, do not use abrasive powders or liquids, window sprays, ammonia, acidic or vinegar-based cleaners, oven cleaners, or flammable fluid. Many liquid cleansers are formulated to be gentle on tile and smooth surfaces, but will damage stainless steel. When cleaning your stainless steel appliance, do not use abrasive cloths, paper towels, newsprint, or steel wool pads to clean or dry your stainless steel appliance. Rinse surfaces with clean, warm water and dry immediately to avoid water spots. Warning: explosion hazard. Use non-flammable cleaner. Failure to do so can result in death, explosion, or fire. If the stainless steel appliance is heavily soiled, you may use a stainless steel cleaner and polish that is designed for appliances only. If you are using a stainless steel cleaner and polish product, do not allow it to come into contact with any plastic parts, such as the trim pieces, dispenser covers, or door gaskets. If unintentional contact does occur, clean the plastic part with a sponge and a mild detergent in warm water. Dry thoroughly with a soft cloth. Citric acid permanently discolors stainless steel. To avoid damaging the finish of your stainless steel appliance, do not allow these substances to remain on the finish. Mustard, tomato juice, marinara sauce, citrus-based sauces, and citrus-based products.